An easy question. Does it hurt to ask? Well, it depends on the situation, depends on the person, the timing. Almost 3 years ago, soon it'll be, I think, yeah, 3 years, I reached out to Poetic or maybe they found me and said, hey, do you want to review cases? I'm like, what's the catch? And like, no catch, we send you cases, you review them on your channel, and you splash the logo. They sent me some stickers, and over the last 3 years, they've sent me over, I would say 30, maybe 35 different cases. I gave away a bunch at work. I've given away to neighbors. They always send me too many. But in the case of today, they sent me just the right amount, 2 of them. And this is for my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. Funny enough, everyone keeps on thinking, oh no, Peter, you cracked your screen. No. This is a Poetic case for my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 that I traded in to get the 5. You quickly know it's the 5 because it has a bigger front screen, it folds flatter, and there's a few other things. But the cases are just slightly different. So what I did is I shaved this case down because this folds flatter, and you can really see it right there. And then I cut out the screen from the old one. Here's the old screen, which is a free case. If you have a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and you didn't upgrade like me, and you could use a brand new case, let me know. I will send this to you. And you don't have to give me your address, just your name and the closest FedEx office. So that's what the screen used to look like until I cut it out with a knife. Well, I was desperate. I knew Poetic was going to send me cases. I asked them to nicely, and I think because of shipping and whatnot, they were behind. So comment below. The first person to comment that says, yes, please send me a free case, and then I comment, great, you're the first. And then you can send me a direct message, a DM. Again, just your name and address and the closest FedEx office near you, and I can send this to a FedEx office, and you won't have to give me your home address. There you go. So free case to whoever wants that case. All right, next on the agenda, let's unbox these. This one is the Poetic Guardian Samsung Z Flip 5 with kickstand, black, clear, new, made in China, but designed in California in the USA. This is the Poetic Spartan Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 kickstand metallic gunmetal new. Let's do, where's my knife? I am normally more organized, but sometimes I have really busy weekends. Always cut away from yourself, right, Malakwa? And close a blade. Thank you, Kershaw, for making awesome knives. Shameless plug. So we're gonna open the Guardian Clear with kickstand. Can't wait to have, ooh, yes. Replacement adhesives, very nice. Nice packaging. Yay! A screen that actually is gonna look good. So this is my homemade screen, and this is what it should look like. So we can take a cleaning cloth. Oh yes, very nice. And we just snap that. Oh, so much better. And then we have the back, which is right here. Ooh, kickstand. That's cool. Good job, Poetic. And then this just snaps on the back. And now it closes all the way. Oh, that looks so much better. So this is the new way. That's my jerry-rigged way. Oh, that's just Oh, that's nice. Let's try the kickstand. So if you want to watch a movie, you know, maybe you want to watch one of my videos, that would be great. Or, speaking of Jerry Rig, he's one guy I follow. So we could just kickstand this right on my Remarkable, and then I can watch Jerry Rig everything like that. Cool. I like the kickstand. Very nice. And then if you want to go naked, everyone likes to be naked. If you don't use the adhesive strips, the cases still stay on quite well, as you can see. Here we go. And again, that was the Poetic Guardian Galaxy Clear Black with kickstand. Ta-da! Whoop, whoop, whoop. There, I did a drop test. Next on the agenda is the Kickstand Metallic Gunmetal. Now they make one that's orange, and that was one I really wanted, but I don't know if they were able to send it to me. Got the adhesive strips. Oh, this one comes. It's a. I said please. Maybe they're in back order. Whoa, this is a hefty one. See, a nice little felt background. That's nice. So no kickstand on this one, but this one has the full-on. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wait 1 minute. There's the kickstand. Okay, that's pretty cool. So we have the back, snaps on. We have the front, which completely protects the phone. Actually, I really like that because now it's protecting the hinge. And that's. So now if I just kind of click that, it is brand new. Oh, you know what? It's, I accidentally called a voicemail. Okay, the kickstand is a little hard to open. Do I have to have it open first? Huh. There we go. So this would be magnetic stylus. Ah, I'm a mess this morning. And there's your kickstand. Okay, let's try that again. That cannot be that hard. So there's the front of the phone with the gun metallic. And then that just kind of flaps open. I like how it, yeah, that's nice. And then the kickstand, there we go. After you open it a couple times, it is easier to open. There we go. Well, thank you, Poetic. I'm going to use this one the rest of the day. I like the gray look. I like how it has the ridge to protect my camera lenses. It protects the screen. It's raised up. The modded case that I made was not protecting much at all. I'm very lucky over the last almost month since I unboxed this Z Flip5. Again, shout out to Poetic. I'm glad you designed them in California. Put your comments down below. And again, if you still have and you're rocking the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, this case could be yours. First one to comment and send me a direct message through Instagram or Twitter wins the case. And I'll send you something else as well, just for fun. Maybe a wireless charger or a bone conducting cordless headphone set. Yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for clicking on by. I'll have more about cases and Poetic soon. Goodbye.